Hello guys, welcome to our channel. Today I am going to show you how to add a clickable link to TikTok bio. Okay, so let's get started. Then first of all, click on TikTok app. Okay, then click on profile, tap on edit profile, scroll down, click on links, add links, tap on YouTube, then continue and click on Gmail, then password, okay, done, then save password. Okay, then continue, then add a link, okay, then back, then add a YouTube link, just click, then continue, then open your YouTube channel. That's all. Thanks for watching. Please like, comments and subscribe. Thank you.